How to reset your Nike password. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide so that you can just go and reset your password on Nike. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. First of all, we can open up your browser, open up our browser and go to the Nike sign-in page. So go to nike.com from here and you can directly look at the sign-in option in the top right corner and go ahead and click on it. And that will lead us to the page. Now here, first of all, we need to enter up our email address to join or sign in. So enter up your email address here and click on continue. And you will be headed towards the next page where we can either enter up a 8-digit code sent to our email or select this option called use password to go ahead and look out for this sub password. Go ahead and enter up a password instead. So if you want to reset your Nike password, we can basically look out for this option called forgot password and click on it. Once we do so, what we need to do is we just need to enter up the code that will be receiving on the email address. So you can use this email address right here, or you can click on edit option to change your email and head back and go ahead and follow the process, enter the code here. After you've entered your code, you just need to enter up your new password, minimum of 8 characters with uppercase, lowercase letters, and one number. After that, you can just go and click on this option called save or reset password. And once you do so, once you have reset your password, you can head back to the sign in page and enter up your password in this box right here. After that, click on this option called sign in. And that way, your new password and email has been registered. You can just go over and use this method and you should be able to sign in into Nike.com very easily. And that's how you basically reset your password. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.